G'day folks, welcome to the show. Tonight's episode, we've had a little bit of inclement weather here in Tassie over the last few days, so I was just gonna have a drive around and check out the damage. Not that I had to go far, but let's go and check it out around the place. A lot of rain and a lot of really strong wind, and yeah, there's some fair bit of collateral damage done to the tree life here in Launceston anyway. So, and compared to some of the other parts of the state, we got off pretty light. So it'll be interesting to see how the rest have fared on the news. So anyway, grab a bevy in your nice warm spot wherever you are now, and enjoy the show. Let's go. I'm in bed, it's about 9:30. The storm's rolled back in again. Don't know if you can hear that. I'll just sit here and you can have a listen. I'm inside, if you can believe it, but it's definitely having a crack out there. coming. I think going to be in for a long night. Anyway, if there's any dramas, I'll let you know, but I need to get some sleep. I got work tomorrow. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Keep safe and well out there, folks. Let's go.